Hi, I just wanted to show you our brand new bathroom done by 5-Star Bath Solution. This is exceeded our expectations. If you had seen what this bathroom looked like before they came here, you wouldn't believe it. Rob was wonderful in helping us pick everything out, from the beautiful vanity to the great floor, and this shower is unbelievable. We have places for our shampoo. We have these to help us if we should fall and get in. It's just wonderful.
Well, we're very pleased with our new bathroom. The walls are so easy to keep clean, and the tub and sink and everything has been absolutely fine. Faucets are great, really like those. But the biggest benefit was it only took one day. That's all we were without our bathroom.
Hi, it's Stacy here. We had Bath Solutions in to do our bathtub and our shower walls, and we're so happy with the results. First of all, it's extremely easy to clean. We're a family of 5, so we've got a busy life, and so it's really nice to have something that's so easy to clean, and it still looks great. And the install was so fast and so easy. We're very, very grateful for that. We had a bathroom done upstairs almost 10 years ago, and it still looks new, it still looks great, still easy to clean and to maintain. So very, very grateful for what Bath Solutions did for us.